Hafa guys, Yata here with another maximum gold display opening part 4. Alright, I haven't pulled Blue Eyes yet, I haven't pulled Estratos yet, and a Nibiru. So hopefully we can pull one here today. Alright, let's go. Maximum gold. Here we go. Traptrix Dionea, Monster Reborn, Cyber Dragon Core, Unexpected Die, and Dark Magician. There you go. From the first pack, Storming Mirror Force, Brotherhood of the Firefist, Buffalo. Nice. Starting off good already. Go Gigas, Cyber Dragon Core, Synchron Carrier, and Rank Up Magic, the 7th one, and Martial Metal Marcher. Barrier Statue of the Abyss, Dark Lord Nastin. Dark Lord Ixchel, Dark Lord Contact, Barrier Statue of the Drought, Miracle Contact, and Infernity Mirage, and Martial Metal Marcher. Mecha Phantom Beast Cult Wing. Brotherhood of the Firefist Coyote, Union Scramble, Gaia the Dragon Champion, Fire Formation Gyoku, and Ghost Reaper of Winter and Winter Cherries. Sky Palace Gangaradai, Circle of the Fire Kings. Extra Foolish Burial, number C101, Unexpected Die, number 74, Elder Entity Entis, and finally a Nibiru the Primal Being.
There you go, Mage Power. I think the last two are Blue Eyes and Stratos, and I'm not sure with, I think also Eldritch. I haven't pulled Eldritch yet, so hopefully we can pull him here. There can only be one. Lost World, Constellar Pleiades, Barrier Statue of the Stormwinds, Machine Duplication, and Ghost Sister and Spooky Dogwood. Grapha Dragon Lord. I'm getting kind of nervous. I hope I can pull everyone. Night Beam, White Prince, Nurse Dragon Maid, Harpy's Pet Phantasmal Dragon, and Kitchen Dragon Maid. Dimensional Prison and Tuning. Come on, Blue Eyes. Where are you? Drowning Mirror Force, Flame Buffalo, Cyber Dragon Infinity, Domain of the True Monarchs, Silent Angler, and Sky Striker Kagari. Okay, I only got this version. I haven't gotten the other one. Okay. Brotherhood of the Firefist Coyote, Temple of the Six, Miracle Contact, and another Infinite Impermanence. Boy, I am getting lucky. Number S39. Man, no Blue Eyes yet. No Eldritch, the Golden Lord. Mr. Golden Boy. Nothing yet. Come on, bruh. Night Beam, Barrier Statue of the Torrent, Lair of Darkness. Oh, speaking of the devil, Eldritch the Golden
Lord, and Ghost Ogre and Snow Rabbit. Alright, Stratos, Blue Eyes, it's just you guys now. Come out, please. Dark Lord Contact, Traptrix Dionea, Alistair the Invoker, Cyber Dragon Core, and Tour Guide from the Underworld. Storming Mirror Force and Brotherhood of the Firefist Buffalo. hear that Blue Eyes is getting really expensive. Tachyon Transmigration, Mistaken Accusation, and Artifact Lancia. Number 15, Temple of the Six, and Miscellaneous Sars. Dark Lord Rebellion. Just a few more packs here to go, and I'm so nervous about this. Fudge. Alright, let's go. Coach Soldier, Wolfbark, Mech Knight of the Morning Star, Nurse Dragon Maid. Well, what am I doing? Transcode Talker, Condemned Witch, and Cosmo Dark Destroyer. Dark Lord Ixchel, Constellar Pleiades, Madoche Knights, Miracle Contact, and Appaloosa Bow of the Goddess. Hatrunade, Mecha Phantom Beast Colt. Eater of Millions, Dragon's Mirror, Noble Knight's Brother, and Stardust Charge Warrior. And Droll and Lockbird. Nice. Preparation nice. Grapha. Where's Stratos and Blue Eyes, man? Bruh. The White Stone of Ancients. Forbidden Chalice. Trixar Reincarnation. Dark Lord Morningstar. And Laundry Dragon Maid. Oh my gosh, what is going on here? Alright, set you to the side. Dark Lord, Dark Lord. Last 4 packs. Barrier Statue of the Inferno. Trade in. Boral Sword Dragon. Let's go, baby. Barrier Statue of the Drought and Reinforcements of the Army. Link Karibo. Nice. Come on, Blue Eyes. Union Hanger. Alistair the Invoker. Transcode Talker. Lose 1 turn. And Super Polymerization. Set Rotation. Lady Debug. Bro. No Blue Eyes. No Stratos. Are you kidding me? This is a whole freaking case. Called by the Grave. Was this a damage already? Scrap Recycler. And no Parlor Dragon Maid. Dark Lord Morningstar. Starlight Junction. And number S39 Utopia the Lightning. Bro, what is going on? Not even one Blue Eyes? Okay, last pack. Thank you guys for watching so far. And I hope you enjoyed these openings. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos in the future. So yeah, thank you guys, and here we go. Go 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 Gigas. Number 74 Master of Blades. Barrier Statue of Storm Winds. Reinforcements of the Army and no Kitchen Dragon Maid. Alright guys, there you have it. No Blue Eyes, no Stratos, and I don't know what else, but I want those guys. Anyway, this is Yata, and thank you for watching. Peace.